look at another bird flying over there. That's the blue heron. So the flight as the blue heron is way more organized and beautiful than these war machines. Look at this. Wow, amazing. Look at black crow flying over interstate. Wow. Wow, amazing, man, amazing. You are just rocking. My friend, if you like the video, please subscribe to the YouTube